kanina, Sir Michael, wala naman po tayong natatanggap na ganitong issues on the ground. May mga tao po tayo na nandoon and fina-finalize na po yung preparations for her return here in the Philippines. Parehas po nung kay sa kapatid niya or alleged kapatid niya, si Sheila at saka si Cassandra Leong. When they were returned here dito sa Pilipinas, agad-agad po yon pagkahuli sa kanila sa Indonesia ng Indonesian immigration. Diretso in a few hours, binalik na sila dito sa Pilipinas. Ang kaibahan lang nito sa case ni Mayor Alice Guo, it's already the Indonesian police kasi wala siyang attempt na mag-cross border. Yung kapatid niya kasi at saka si Cassie nag-attempt po tumawid papuntang Singapore. Kaya naharang agad at the border, tapos pinabalik agad nila. But this one, hinanap pa talaga nila all over Indonesia, from Batam Island, nagpunta pa siya ng Jakarta, tapos doon po siya nag-hopping doon ng mga tutulugan ng mga hotels up until mahuli siya. But ngayon, they sought the help already of Indonesian police in locating her. And yung procedure, instead of it being directly with the Indonesian immigration, dadaan pa po ng Indonesian police, turnover pa sa Indonesian immigration, and saka po yung return sa Pilipinas.
Okay.
Tama po kayo, ma'am, na-qualify natin.
Wait.
Sige.
Ibig niyo sabihin, as far as the Bureau of Immigration is concerned, wala po kayong information tungkol sa prisoner swap? Kasi ang nabasa kong report, I think it was quoting the Justice Secretary already.
I think doon po sa nabanggit ni Justice Secretary, it's something that could be considered pero hindi naman po siya part of the discussion on the ground actually. So kami po on the ground, we are unaware of any such discussions. I'm not really sure with the Department of Justice po if there were conversations like that. But on the ground po, it's just purely operational on how ibabalik dito si Alice Guo.